So that's my Paithani sari and my Maharashtrian nath, which I wore for my wedding as well, my Chandrabindu, and this is the Tamil Nadu, the temple jewelry of Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhavna. Jury members, Bhavna was 20 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, we have Supriya. Hi, Supriya.
Hello, is my voice audible?
Yes, you are audible. Are we ready?
Yes. Okay, hello, good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Supriya Naik. So today I am, first I will introduce, then I will show my dress, okay? So Raja Festival is a tribute to menstruation, and girls wear new clothes and take swings on the tree branches. And the earth takes the menstruation for 3 days, and there is a ceremonial bath takes place on the fourth day, due to which all the agriculture activities were stopped. And women take bath in the early morning by using soap, oil, turmeric paste to get purified, and then wear a new dress, bangles, mehendi, bindi, perfume, nail polish, and just enjoy the festival. In Odisha, it is called the Festival of Girls. Today, I wear this beautiful, gorgeous blue color dress because it admires kindness, charm, and and a beautiful color it represents. And blue color is the reflection of deep spirituality and spiritual purity. I put this alta because we celebrate womanhood, or we can say menstruation. And blue color symbolizes the fertility. We do not wear shoes in the festival because it will be painful for the Mother Earth. And there is a song we sing in the festival within the 3 days. I would like to sing it. Bonasti dakila raja, barasaki thore asichi raja. The meaning is the elephant is calling once in the year. The festival has come with lots of beautiful air and the environment. So that's all. Thank you so much. And this is the outfit, sorry. So this is the outfit. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rakshita. Thank you so much. Jury members, Rakshita was 10 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, we have...
Excuse me, ma'am. My name is Supriya.
Supriya, sorry. I'm so sorry. So moving forward, we have Preeti. Hi, Preeti.
Hello, everyone. Khamma Ganesha. I'm representing today a power of woman. As you know, I'm wearing a red attire. It shows the lots of this red color speaks a lot about the power, about the goodness and everything. Whenever we have something good in our life, you choose the red color. And this entire attire represent me because I'm known as a conceptualized choreographer in a Rajasthani folk, masters in Rajasthani folk. Secondly, I had completed my graduation in fashion designing, this entire attire designed by me. And I am a mother, woman, housewife, and successful entrepreneur. So this is the entire complete me, what I'm representing to Forever Star India. And this is, I'll show you my look.
Thank you, Preeti. Thank you so much. So next we have Tripti. Hi, Tripti.
Hey, hi.
Are we
Can
ready?
you hear me? Yeah. Very good afternoon to all the jury members and to all the pretty women out there. My name is Tripti Prajapati, and today my look is all about a retro look. So I'm not showcasing anybody's character today, but this is something me and my personality and what I love to wear. So there are three reasons why I love this look. Firstly, it's a timeless style. In a society that revolves around ever-changing trend, this look always remains the same. And it's a long-term addition to your wardrobe as well. Secondly, it's a unique look, and I literally feel that every woman would look great in this. And thirdly, it gives me nostalgic feels. Since I'm a 90s kid, it gives me a huge sense of nostalgia. So here is my look. I'm wearing a pink colored dress, one shoulder dress it is, with a flower on one shoulder. And I have accessorized it with a polka dot rubber band, a neck piece, round earrings, and I have chosen a puffed hairstyle. So that's it. I hope you liked it. Thank you.
Thank you, Tripti. Thank you so much. Let's hear it from Kanika Sharma now. Hi, Kanika.
Hello, good evening everyone. I am from Delhi. मैंने आज ये अपना जो लुक किया है ये अपना पंजाबी लुक किया है क्योंकि मैं बेसिकली पंजाब से बिलोंग करती हूँ और बचपन से ही अपने कल्चर से बहुत प्यार है। बचपन से ही जैसे भी स्कूल्स में पार्टिसिपेट लेते थे, गिद्दा परफॉर्मेंसेस करते थे, तो इसलिए मुझे ये लुक सबसे इजी लगता है कि मैं इसको सबसे इजीली क्रिएट कर सकती हूँ और मैं इस पर बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट फील करती हूँ। सेकेंडली, मुझे अपने कल्चर से बहुत प्यार है। बचपन से ही डांस परफॉर्मेंसेस करना, पंजाबी टिक्का पहनना, पंजाबी कपड़े पहनना और ये परांदी पहनना मुझे बहुत पसंद है। इसीलिए मुझे लगता है कि मैं इसमें सबसे ज्यादा सुंदर लगती हूँ। पता नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि मैं सुंदर लगती हूँ और मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट फील करती हूँ, इसीलिए मैंने ये लुक क्रिएट किया है। और ये मैंने खुद ही लुक क्रिएट किया क्योंकि बचपन से मैं करती हूँ, इसलिए मुझे ये करना सबसे ईजी लगा और मैं बहुत कंफर्टेबल। थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, Kanika. Thank you so much. So next we have is Sapna. Hi, Sapna.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hey, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, but you are.
I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry because I was in meeting. I just got over. Just give me a moment. यार मनी हटना साइड उठाना. First of all, I'm really sorry because I'm late because of my meeting. Okay. So hello everyone. I hope you all doing good. So today I'm wearing this dress. This is a one piece. Okay. I like the color because I'm fond of greenish person. Okay. So this is and this is my makeup look. Okay. I've chosen this makeup because I feel very confident and bold when I wear this kind of color. So this explains my personality because I'm very bold and wild kind of a person. So this is the reason I have chosen this outfit and I'm wearing 4 inches of heel because I love heels and it influenced my personality more. So this is all about my look today. Thank you so much for listening to me.
Thank you, Sapna. Thank you so much. So next.
मैंने आपका ये तक नहीं हटाया था, नहीं वैसे उतना मैंने दिख नहीं रहा.
Okay, so moving forward, we have Nishi Bhargav. Nishi, can you please switch on your video and audio? Nishi, can you hear me? Okay, so moving forward, Rakshita, this brings us to the end. So if you could switch on your video and take your round, it would be great. Also, there is a participant with the username FCR whose video and audio is off. So if you could switch on your video or put your name in the chat box, it would be easier for me to connect. And Rakshita, Nishi, if you guys, either of you could put on your videos and, appear, it would be great. Okay, Rakshita is asking for 5 minutes. Rakshita, can you please unmute yourself? Yeah.
Hey, Kelly, here I am. So actually, I was thinking that I was traveling, but then here I go. I think I can go on the run because this is what I represent today. I represent myself as a bold and confident working corporate woman who does everything on the run and on the go. So here I am traveling and giving my introduction for Forever Miss India. And I have chosen this bold and confident look for myself where I have done a matching eye makeup, which is matching to my attire. And I have put on a bold lipstick. This is how I actually prefer to go to my meetings where I have client interfaces and actually put on the boldest face that I have. So yeah, I feel pretty confident in this attire. Apart from that, I am actually wearing something that I would actually wear to my meetings, which is, soft and satin silk attire. And I love the color green because it gives me confidence. Also, olive green is some color that is really in trend today. So yeah, this is who I am. And I have coupled it with minimal jewelry. I have these earrings today, and these earrings, the shape of these earrings truly complement my face, which is curvy at some places and edgy at some other places. Also, I have highlighted these places here, as you can see. So I'm sorry that I'm on the run again, but yeah, this is who I am, and I am proud to be an FSI participant. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rakshita. Thank you so much, and have a good day ahead. So, Nishi, if you are not well, you need to appear for the round later. Please contact the team. It's completely all right. And you can please take good care, and it's all right, okay? So, Komal Kashyap has just joined in. Can I please have your video or audio? Okay, as far as I remember Komal's part. Komal, are you in this batch? As far as I know, I don't think you are a part of this batch. Please अपने आप को unmute कीजिए.
हेलो मैम.
आप बैच जी में हैं?
मैम नहीं, मैं बैच जी में नहीं, मैं बैच शायद एफ में हूँ, बट मैं मीटिंग मिस कर दी थी, तो मैंने सोचा एक बार देखती हूँ, क्या पता मीटिंग कंटिन्यू हो रही हो.
तो 11 बजे की मीटिंग अभी तो कंटिन्यू नहीं हो रही.
12 बजे थी मतलब मीटिंग ना मेरी, इस वजह से.
ट्रेनिंग राउंड चल रहा है. I request you to leave, please. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so this brings us to the end of the show. Thank you so much, ladies, for putting up such a wonderful show. And, it was a very, very good experience to see you all, come out of your comfort zone and put your best foot forward. And so now I request the jury members to give us some parting words. So over to you, Kirti ma'am, to start with you. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Hari. And a very good afternoon to everyone. Congratulations to each one of you. You have completed your talent round 2 today, and all of you have performed pretty well. I would not say phenomenally well. I'm, a little bit disappointed today. Why? I will be, explaining that in detail. That, in the earlier batches, what was happening was that the time limit 90 seconds was, kind of getting less for them. So they were, extending their performance to more than 90 seconds. But today what has happened is that you were not even taking 90 seconds to explain what you are, why you have done this makeup. So why are we doing this talent round 2? Talent round 2 is not just for makeup. Matlab aap ek normal sa makeup karke, and you are just, see, do not do a makeup, aap kuch mat karke aao, but you should have something to say about. Why haven't you done a makeup? You should have some material with yourself. You haven't done it. If you've done a specific makeup, 90 seconds एक बहुत now. You should have some content. कुछ होना चाहिए आपके पास बोलने के लिए, because here we are going to judge you on that basis and take 90 seconds. 30, 40, 50 seconds में ही अगर आप खत्म कर देंगे, then we will not understand that why are you here? Why have you done this makeup? Though most of you, you've done your your makeup beautifully, you've presented yourself beautifully. But talking about it is also an art, and I want each one of you to master that art. कि आपने कोई चीज कर ली है, लेकिन अगर आप उसको efficiently explain ही नहीं करेंगे, then how are we going to score you? On what basis? Yes, and retro look totally ruled today. You know, most of you were into retro look. कि आज हम retro look करके आए हैं. A few of you explained it pretty well. But we can do it in a much better way. My expectations are really high from all of you. Please come well prepared for your next round. जो भी आपका round होता है, उससे पहले preparation अच्छे से कीजिए. 90 seconds में आपको क्या बोलना है, क्यों बोलना है, because this is what we are doing here. You have to make a mark here. And how can you do that? By speaking confidently about it, by having some material, right? Something substantial to present. Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you. And now I request Chitra to take over.
Yeah, hello everyone. Yes, Kirti has given some valuable inputs. I had similar observations for today. I want to see more finesse in all of y'all from next time. Y'all are beauty pageant participants. Y'all just cannot be very casual about things. There has to be a lot of finesse. Go behind, Google some more pictures, see how the pageants, you know, how the celebs and all of them, they behave, they talk, they express how everything about them. Because now the things are different for y'all. Even when y'all are stepping out of the house, because y'all have put everywhere on social media that you are a pageant participant, you will be looked upon as if, what is the improvement that you have, gained? So start practicing a lot of finesse, practice makeup, even if you're stepping out of the house, practice a lot of different eyeliner styles, complementing your face, the contouring and your eye makeup. You need to come out of your comfort zone. And one thing I want to point out today, that I hope you liked my look. That shows lack of confidence. At the same time, you're pairing that same statement that I feel confident when I wear it. And in the end, when you say, I hope you like, they are two very contradicting statements. So if you feel confident, yes, it has to reflect 360-degree around y'all. You don't have to, please everyone. So just keep this in mind, show a lot of finesse in your next rounds. All the best and do well. And even today, all have done well, no doubt. There's a lot of, I can see makeup done so well, but makeup is not something that you need to want to, cover your flaws. Makeup is done to highlight your best profile, and makeup is good. So don't worry कि makeup करेंगे, skin खराब होगी, ये वो. No, just embrace it day and night now onwards. Over to you, Roshni. Thank you, everyone.
So I had a similar observation today. I felt the content was missing today. Like everyone did their best, but as Kriti ji said that you guys are not using your time in its optimized way. You have 90 seconds. Like at least use 90 seconds to present yourself. Like you put in so much of effort getting ready, coming here. So use that time, because we are here to judge you in those 90 seconds. If you just do 10 seconds, 15 seconds, you have wasted that opportunity that you could have done in the 90 seconds. Otherwise, you guys are doing really good. Like I can see so many creativity. Haley, you are looking beautiful. And then there was Atriya, she has done the face painting. So being a makeup artist, I know like face painting takes a lot of effort, a lot of time. So kudos to you for doing that. But just the presentation part is lacking. Otherwise, you guys are on your way towards making it big. So all the best. So next time, just take care of that thing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ladies. And it was an honor having each one of you here today. Thank you so much. I shall take your leave and have some parting words with the participant. Bye-bye. Okay, so this brings us to the end, and you know, निराश नहीं होना है, disappoint नहीं होना है. This is where we learn from. Because see, जब आपको कोई honest input देता है, that means that you guys matter and you matter enough to work on your improvement. So take this as, you know, a lesson and realize that 90 seconds आपके हैं, सिर्फ आपके. Nobody is going to interrupt. Nobody is going to speak in between. So those 90 seconds are just yours. But thank you also on my end for not exceeding the 90 seconds. That is also a big deal for that matter. And of course, all of you look beautiful. All of you have stepped out of, you know, your comfort zones. But I want you guys to challenge yourself more. I know aap log, you know, be it your office looks, be it your favorite colors, your favorite outfits. But ये सब देख लिया है आपने Instagram पे already इन सब की pictures डाल के बहुत सारे compliments achieve कर लिए हैं. Now it's time, it's a space where you have to get out of your comfort zone. Do something जो आपने कभी नहीं सोचा है, कभी नहीं सोचा था, and trust me, it's going to reflect. उसमें आप कितना अच्छा करते हो वो बहुत बात की बात रह जाती है. But when you will see, for example, अब talent round की videos डालना शुरू होंगी 2 की, notice कीजिएगा, people have genuinely gone out of their comfort zone जो उन्होंने कभी नहीं किया था. Even if they haven't achieved the look really well, but the effort counts and it takes them a long way because वो impression इतना strong छोड़ जाता है that you are like, you know, like automatically when Atreyu does a face painting and does something creative, you know, it automatically leaves an impression. She stands out from all of you for that matter. But like, you know, the directors and the jury said that the content is equally important. तो जब मैंने emphasize किया था that the why is very important on why you have chosen, that is where you come across as, you know, that is your opportunity to shine across with something different. So I hope you guys are sorted and, you know, do not get disappointed. This is your journey. तो आप ही सीखोगे, आप ही आगे बढ़ोगे. Nobody else is coming in between. And, you know, thank you so much for putting up such a beautiful show. And for that matter, I'm sure you guys have learned from each other as well. So इसके marks भी आपकी profile पे ही update होंगे. You do not have to worry or panic about, you know, asking anybody else for that matter. And now start preparing for the third round, guys. It's going to be the most trickiest one. Heels पहन के चलना है, तो गिरना भी है, उठना भी है, संभलना भी है, सब खुद करना है. And you know, I would really appreciate कि आप तीसरे training session से पहले अपनी basic research करें. Rambox पे how to work it out because this is going to be the most toughest round because आपका frame, आपकी lighting, आपकी position, अगर आपने कोई outfit पहनी, आपकी कोई walk है तो उसकी details दिखाने के लिए you have to ensure कि आपका frame एकदम perfect है. अभी तक सिर्फ इतना दिख रहा था, खड़े होके दिखा रहे थे. Rambox is going to be really tricky. You need to be very sure of the lighting. You need to be very sure where you are walking. And you know, it's going to take a larger space and it's going to take larger of your time for that matter. So, you know, please take care of that. Start preparing, start researching on your own ताकि जब एक professional आपके सामने बैठे तो you have a very sensible idea already on how to go about it. Because I am sure आपने makeup round में एक चीज realize की होगी that when a professional sits across, वो एक basic expectation के साथ आते हैं कि आपको basics पता है. You know, they will always throw words जो आपको नहीं, you know, maybe शायद hit ना करे, but that is your responsibility कि अपना homework आप करके आएं. And you know, then you sit for a class so that you top at the end. So thank you so much, ladies, for hearing me out and all the very best. Your training session 3 would be scheduled really soon. So all the best and have a lovely day ahead. Goodbye.